Hello everyone, my name is Mike Nolan, and this is my self-introduction for History and Theory of Public Administration. So this is me. I am 33 years old and I live in the city of La Quinta, California with my one-year-old son Jude. We attend church at Sacred Heart in the city of Palm Desert. When I'm away from work, I enjoy spending time with my son, working out, running, and one of our favorite things to do as a family is to head down to the Staples Center and catch an LA Kings hockey game. As you can see on the photograph there down at the bottom right, we're big LA Kings fans and will continue to be despite this year's run and the previous year's runs in the playoffs. So that's me. This is what I do. For the past 11 and a half years, I've been a police officer. Currently, I work for the city of Banning. I've held assignments in patrol, field training officer, taser instructor, SWAT, and detectives. I enjoy what I do, and even more so, I enjoy the people I do it with. The bottom two photographs there and the one in the top center are all outings with my coworkers. You know, we spend a lot of time together at work, which can often be a stressful situation. And I really enjoy the people I work with, and we really enjoy getting out together and enjoying an activity. The bottom left photo there is us all at a Dodgers game, and the center photograph is us all at a LA Kings hockey game. And the top center photograph is us celebrating the birthday of one of our records personnel staff. So that's me, that's what I do. Thank you guys for watching. And in closing, I'd just like to leave you with this quote by, of course, none other than Wayne Gretzky. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. I like that quote. It speaks to me. You know, you can't be afraid to take the opportunity to succeed, because failing to actually take advantage of the opportunity is failure in itself in my eyes. Well, thank you, and it was nice getting to meet you guys, and I look forward to watching your videos.